Welcome to Right Choose. Top 10 Best Integrated Stereo Amplifier Buyer's Guide. Top 1. Yamaha AS501BL Natural Sound Integrated Stereo Amplifier, Black. An integrated amplifier with the advantage of digital input. 85W plus 85W, 20 Hz-20 kHz, 0.019% THD, gold-plated digital coax input or toslink optical input. Gold-plated analog inputs including Phono. Speakers A, B, A plus B. Auto standby, 8 hours. Top 2. Denon PMA900HNE Integrated Stereo Amplifier 85WX2, Advanced High Current Circuit, built-in HEOS, Bluetooth and AirPlay 2, Amazon Alexa, MCMN Phono Equalizer, Hi-Res Certified, Home Amplifier. 2CH Integrated Amplifier with HEOS built-in. Listen to tracks from analog or digital audio sources with the Denon PMA900HNE Integrated Amplifier. With built-in HEOS, enjoy whole home and home theater audio streaming from wireless streaming options, Advanced High Current, AHC, circuit, powered by the Denon Advanced High Current Single Push-Pull Circuit. This stereo amplifier, 85WX2, can drive powerful speakers, while delivering detailed, immersive audio with impactful bass and precise. Top 3. Denon PMA1700NE Integrated Amplifier, 140WX2, USB-DAC and Phono Equalizer, Analog Mode, High Current Power Circuit, AL32 Processing Plus, Hi-Res Audio, Silver, Home Audio Receivers and Amplifiers. High Power 2CH Integrated Amplifier, with 140 with channel and Advanced AL32 Processing Plus. The Denon PMA1700NE Integrated Amplifier can drive a range of speakers, delivering detailed, Top 4. 150W Stereo Integrated Amplifier 16.8 inches wide x 13.5 inches deep x 4.0 inches high titanium anodized aluminium. High power design. The 150i is designed to handle difficult speaker loads with ease. With its high-powered MOSFET design, the 150i is capable of continuously delivering a genuine 190W RMS into an 8 load and a huge 300W RMS into 4. High-current custom power supply. At the heart of any great amplifier is a great power supply. The 150i features 2 high-current independent power supplies, for controlled, quality audio. Top 5. TEAC X505S Integrated Stereo Amplifier. The X505 is based around a high-performance, energy-efficient Hypex and CORE power amplifier module that delivers 130W plus 130W of output power from a small unit. This isn't a standard NCORE module, it has been carefully tuned by TEAC to deliver maximum musical expression from the full breadth of musical repertoire. From Muse op amps in the analog section which fundamentally determine the amplifier's sound quality to ladder resistor. Top 6. Marantz Model 40 an integrated stereo amplifier with HEOS built-in, silver, gold. HDMI arcade input, enables audio from your TV to play back through your stereo with a warmth and dimensionality you've come to love from Marantz. High-resolution digital streaming built-in, Model 40N is for those whose music collection is infinite and online. Luxury look and feel, Model 40N follows a long line of historic Marantz pieces notable for their exquisite design. Hyperdynamic amplifier modules, Model 40N leverages this unique Marantz innovation to ensure whatever you're listening to is always the most musical. HEOS built-in for multi-room streaming, HEOS built-in components, like HEOS-capable speakers, play all your music in one room or many.
Top 7.
Yamaha AS801BL Natural Sound Integrated Stereo Amplifier, Black. Gold-plated digital coax input toslink optical input. Frequency response 10 Hz 100 kHz +/1.0 dB, gold-plated analog inputs including Phono, speakers A, B, A+B and custom-made power transformer /12,000 micro-F block capacitors /extruded aluminum heat sinks, with high sound quality, top ART circuitry and high stability construction along with incorporating advancements like a USB-DAC function for the latest high-resolution sound formats. This integrated amplifier delivers superior musicality and powerful, natural sound.
Top 8.
SVS Prime Wireless Pro SoundBase Smart Streaming Stereo Integrated Amplifier. Brings speakers into the future of immersive sound with 300 watts of effortless pristine power. Stream audio your way via Wi-Fi, AirPlay 2, Chromecast and Bluetooth 5.0 with AAC and aptX. Control via smartphone, desktop app, front panel IR remote, included, and voice commands. Bring your audio to life with high-res 24-bit /192 kHz built-in DAC, 6 front panel presets for one-touch access to music services and playlists.
Top 9.
Yamaha Audio AS2200BL Integrated Amplifier, Black. Fully balanced circuit design from input to speaker out, large toroidal transformer in the pursuit of pure musicality, gorgeous level meters convey dynamics and music pulse with a nod to the nostalgic hi-fi era, thick wires for ground connection contribute to low impedance design for a wide and open sound stage, mechanical ground concept maximizes rigidity for expressive and rhythmic bass, included components, remote controller.
Top 10.
TEAC Balance Input Stereo Integrated Amplifier X505S, Silver, plus AC 100V AC 240V, 50/60 Hz. AC 100V/200W, 50/60 Hz, Transformer, Japan. Domestic genuine products, ships from Japan. The X505 is a stereo full amplifier that delivers an output power 115W plus 115W, but only takes up the footprint of an A4 sheet. In the power amplifier section, a TEAC-tuned and CORE module from Hypex from the Netherlands has been integrated, which offers both high cooling performance and high energy efficiency. Its clear sound with low distortion and high signal-to-noise ratio reproduces HEOS audio content with impressive DAC. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.